Hello everyone. Hi. So today we are going to learn about the life cycle of bryophyte. Did you know the process of bryophyte life cycle? The bryophyte life cycle consists of alternating generation between the haploid gametophyte and the diploid sporophyte. In bryophytes, the dominant phase is represented by a gametotic plant. The gametophyte is independent. For comparison, the sporophyte phase is smaller, dependent on the gametophyte, and remain attached to the gametophyte and derive nutrients from it. The archegonia are on the left and have been colored green. You can see the swollen venters near the archegonial bases. At the top of the neck of each archegonium has a somewhat funnel-shaped mouth. The entridia are on the right and have been colored blue, and the middle entridium is releasing a sperm. Once an entridium has matured and contains sperm, the sperm need to get to the eggs in archegonia. The first step for the sperm to get out of the entridia, and the second is to then travel to the archegonia and fertilize the eggs within. The water is essential for both steps. The development of the sporophyte begins. The fertilized egg elongates, and after a few cell division begins to differentiate. The lower portion usually becomes a foot that penetrates the gametophyte and anchor the embryonic sporophyte to the gametophyte and eventually become a diploid sporophyte. The upper will develop into the spore-bearing capsule and also the supporting stalk or seta in species in which matured capsule is stalk. After fertilization, the archegonia become modified into a protective shield around the young sporophyte. Matured sporophyte remain attached to the gametophyte and generate haploid spore via meiosis inside the sporangium. Now we focus on development of gametophyte. Bryophyte alternate a gametophytic generation with a sporadic one, a sporic meiosis, a life cycle in which meiosis gives rise to spore. Each of the haploid and spores is capable of developing into a multicellular haploid individual, the gametophyte. The first structure formed from spore in most mosses and many liverworts is a filamentous, alga-like, and green protonema. Protonema are long-lived with rhizode and aerial filament, and they often form dense green mats in suitable sites. Cells in the protonema, probably stimulated by red light and kinetin, give rise to shoot with enlarged and become the mature gametophyte. Now, this is the close-up of the process. Thank you for watching. Bye!